Hello, my friends. Today's question is evolution related to body only? The simple answer is yes. The evolution is only related to body. Let's try to understand this further. Our universe has evolved over a long period of time, almost 13.8 billion years. This shows that the operative principle governing our universe is gradual development. That is, everything is required to go through a process to reach its maturity. In the light of this principle of gradual development, God made a living cell which later on evolved into the bodies of Adam and Eve, and the earth served the function of a mother's womb. Therefore, the prevalent theory of evolution is incorrect in its assumption that human beings have evolved from lower or other forms of living beings or animals, which the theory of evolution identifies as primates. It may be noted that the current process of developing the bodies of human beings also begins with a single cell after the fertilization of two cells coming from male and female in the mother's womb. Human body is a creation of God, not the product of evolution. It needs to be pointed out that the theory of evolution has not been able to find links between various humanoid races because they are different races, not the continuation of the same race, as presumed in this theory. The various humanoid races, such as Australopithecus, Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Homo neanderthalensis, and Homo sapiens sapiens, are all different races. It is only the Homo sapiens sapiens which contains nafs, our true self, I mean the soul. All other races are without this self. This is very important to understand. It also needs to be pointed out that the DNA of these humanoid races does not match. Let me repeat again. It is only Homo sapiens sapiens which have the soul. I mean, God put the soul in them, and that is how they became human beings. The real human being is the soul, whereas the body is just a carrier through which the soul is being tested. It may be appropriate to say that just like the self, that is soul, which did not evolve, rather was created by God, likewise his carrier, that is Homo sapiens sapiens, did not evolve from some other race. I hope it is clear by now that the theory of evolution only relates to the body, and that too, as I explained, does not relate to the human body. The human body or carrier was created by God as an independent entity. It has nothing to do with the other humanoid races. If I may also mention in closing that the confusion has primarily arisen because most of the human beings think of the body as their true self, whereas the reality is we are not the body. We are just souls living in this body for the purpose of test. I will close by quoting a few quotes regarding our true self. George Harrison said, "We are not these bodies, just souls having a bodily experience." Another scholar, Piag Chagden, said, "We are not human beings having spiritual experience. We are spiritual beings having a human experience. Another quote, "We are souls having bodies, we are not bodies having souls." I hope the matter should be clear by now. Thank you.